I like it. I like it a lot. Family. So I had purchased this amazing, it's been so much talk around this lip balm. And it is the Tony Maloney dupe. So we gonna get this to go, Joe. Let's go. I like the way it looks. I don't know, for some reason, you know, it really put me in a mind of like actual jelly, I guess, you know. Oh, not like that at all. Okay, it smells just like watermelon. Okay. I like it. This is so amazing. These mugs over here, St. Patty's Day. This is the first time I am seeing these at Dollar Tree. It's $25. And I have a treat that's definitely gonna have you move your feet out in these Dollar Tree streets. What about these cosmetic bags? You like them? $1.25. Aren't they cute? Really fancy and chic. Styling and definitely profiling. Okay, say it with me. Styling and profiling. And then they also have this gorgeous one, $1.25. I love this. Alright, family, so let's head to checkout. We got some amazing items from Dollar Tree. Oh yes, and a place to be. Oh my goodness. When I tell you, they not doing anything but just showing out. Hey my loves, you looking for some amazing finds at Dollar Tree? Well, how about this? Yes, so this is the vibrating under eye. Yes, child, they getting fancy massager. Now, they come in two different colors. They have this white one. They also have this light pink, and this is $1.25. Now, remember these goodies last year? Dollar Tree had the mini LED makeup mirrors. Now, I have the pink one. It has 14 beauty LED lights. Now, don't do like I did. I was like, where are the lights? The lights are actually inside here, right? And they have, I believe it's 2 settings, but these come in 3 different colors. They have the green, the pink, and also the purple. These are $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for a lotion dispenser, a cream dispenser, Dollar Tree has these pump bottles. These are $1.25. Yes, we dealing with the best. Now, Dollar Tree also have the pedicure set. This is a 3-piece, 1 foot file, 1 nail file, 1 nail clipper. This is $1.25. They also have the microfiber hair wraps out, $1.25. The towel scrunchies. And then they also have the detangling combs. These are so cute. Love this. And if you guys are looking for lip glosses, if you're going to make like a basket or something, or maybe you can make like a little bag for your daughter or a little girl, right? Last year I brought my daughter Amani this lip gloss with the pom-pom. It was so, so cute. And they come in 2 different colors. They have this bright pink, and then they also have this lighter pink. This is cute. So hey my loves, I heard you guys was looking for a lip gloss, berry flavored, grape, that is berry flavored. Dollar Tree has this fancy pantsy lip gloss. Isn't this fancy, heart shaped? Oh chill, I'm kind of feeling fancy. $1.25. Oh my goodness. If you guys are looking for these, normally they sell out really, really quick. These are the velvet press-on nails at Dollar Tree. $1.50. You get 12 of these. Fancy pantsy mancy. Now, they don't only have that color. They have like 3 different colors. Check this out. Also have the shamrock crowns over here, the LED necklaces, St. Patty's theme, mini scented bubble tubes, 10 count. They also have the wire garland. If you guys are looking for curly straws, they definitely have it. If you're looking for more wire garland, they had those as well. Now, what really got my fancy on was these mugs up here, and then also mainly the shamrock crown, honey. This is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Okay, $1.25. Honey, we just movie and groovy. Now, Dollar Tree also have these headbands over here as well. They also have the window clings over here. 15 window clings you get. And if you guys are looking for the hats, St. Patty's Day themes, oh yes, they definitely have those. Now, Dollar Tree also have the kitchen towels over here. Who needs luck with all this charm? Ooh, child, I know that's right. Now, Dollar Tree also have this 9-feet tinsel garland. Yes, they also have these St. Patty's jumbo ties, necklaces. If you guys are looking for them, okay, you get 3 pieces. They also have the 6 count necklaces. Oh, yes. Jumbo ties, St. Patty's theme. And then they also, honey, kiss me. I'm black. Kiss me, I am Irish. They also have this decor over here as well. Pot of gold decor. They have the wire edge ribbons over here, the LED lights. If you guys are looking for some fancy mancy socks, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, they have the Charlie Brown socks. They have the men's crew socks. They also have Winnie the Pooh socks. Ooh, that rhymed. And then they also have these lady knee-high socks. These are gorgeous. Really, really nice. Oh, look at that. Got Bluey. Bluey said it's not a cluey. Right? These are really cute. Oh, they also have Stitch. Ooh, I like and this. So Dollar Tree has the blue, which the blue is by far the best. I love the blue. They also have the like silver looking ones. These are $1.25, but they have $1.50 right here. Maybe that thing is the wrong one. They also have the purple set as well. And when I tell you these are cute, honey, these are really, really cute. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree nails. Now, Dollar Tree also have these nails as well. This is the Neutral collection. Really cute, 12 pieces. They say no glue needed, but honey, let me tell you something. You better get some glue. And what the nails I have on now, these are Dollar Tree edition. Okay, Dollar Tree nails. So if you guys are looking for cute lip glosses, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are so nice. Yeah. This is so cute. Look at this. Oh, they have the butter cookie scent. They also have the chocolate chip. This, honey, I am in love with stuff like this. They also have, which one is this? This is the sugar cookie. Really, really cute. So if you guys are looking for a doopity-doo, how about the Tony Maloney lip gloss? Now, Dollar Tree brought this back. Okay, now Tony Maloney on Amazon, it was like $8 I seen that they wanted for this, for the actual Tony Maloney lip gloss. Now, Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. And honey, if you know, you know. Now, this is from Be Pure, watermelon scented they have, and then they also have peach scented, $1.25. Fancy. If you guys are looking for a fancy makeup brush, Dollar Tree definitely has the Kabuki brushes. This is good to apply your foundation. Amazing. $1.25. So I heard that you want to get your spa treatment on at home. That's what I heard. You know, I heard through the grapevine, honey. Check this out. So when it comes to affordable, inexpensive spa treatment, Dollar Tree has name brand items like Skintimate, spa headbands, plush. And when I tell you these feel so amazing, oh my goodness, it's like I'm in heaven. Really, really nice. Now, they come in 4 different colors. They have the purple, the pink, the green. They also have the blue. If you guys are looking for headbands, oh yes, they definitely has the spa headbands from Skintimate. They come in 2 different colors. They most likely have other colors, but at this location, they have the blue and they also have the black. Now, another spa item that you can add to your collection is the Goose Shoe. Now, they have the Smurfs sculpting. Now, this is good for puffiness. It provides soothing, relaxing massage. They also have SpongeBob. And then they also have Smurf. Another Smurf. Really cute. These are $1.25.